We are going to multiply a whole number by a single digit. Here we have a wall that is 34 bricks long and 7 bricks tall. How many bricks are there in the wall? One way of counting them is to split the wall up in the following way. We now have two separate bits of wall, one being 30 bricks long and the other 4 bricks long. They are both still 7 bricks tall. How many bricks have I used? It is now easier to do the calculation. There are 7 rows of 30 in the larger part. In the larger part we have 30 times 7, which equals 210 bricks. In the smaller part we have 4 times 7, which is 28 bricks. We now join the wall back together, and we find that 34 times 7 is 210 add 28, which gives a total of 238. We could look at this another way by saying that we are adding up 7 lots of 34. Let's do this in the form of a column. We add the units' digits first, and they make 28. We then add the tens digits, and they make 210. We now add the 28 and the 210 to get our final answer, which is 238. We are going to look at another way of doing this multiplication, which is probably the quickest way if you can master it. We first expand 34 as 30 plus 4, and repeat this to give 7 identical rows. We add the units again and then the tens to arrive at the answer 238. The more traditional way of writing this would be like this. The same calculation is written out in the following way. First of all, we multiply the units digit by 7. This makes 28. This appears in our calculation like this. We now multiply the 7 by the 3, but the 3 is 3 tens, so it's 7 times 30. That makes 210, which appears in the calculation like this. We now add 28 and 210 to get the answer 238.